Yes, Sherry. At saka yung, yung catering namin about the birthday of Mr. Peña, you know, can you add the salary of the people, Tina, Mean, Rapi, Sunny, give them 1,000 each, huh? Alright? In the birthday, in the catering of Mr. Peña, you know, like overtime sila doon and things like that, so please, pay them, okay? 100 each. Ay, 1,000 yan, correct. Nang when? No, I mean, that's all, that's one day, yeah. You come here, man, you stand here. What? Yeah, correct. So you give na, binigyan mo na siya. Yes. Hello? So binigyan mo na si Tina? Okay, anyway.
Di pa, ma'am.
Hindi ka pa niya binigyan. She said binigyan ka na yan, nag-extend ka pa na. Anyway, good morning. Okay? Eric, good morning. How are you? Okay, who am I?
Chef.
Okay, Chef what?
Chef Ana.
Chef Ana what? Why you laughing? I'm not laughing. Hindi kita pinapatawa, you know? Sino ako? Who am I?
Chef Ana.
Lumalawa ka pa rin. Tumatawa ka pa rin. I don't like that. Eric, who am I?
Chef Ana.
Are you not scared of me anymore?
No, ma'am.
What, ma'am? I'm not ma'am. Who am I?
No, chef.
Okay, who am I?
Chef Ana.
Chef what?
Chef Ana.
Correct. Okay? You know what? Unbelievable people. I don't want to see me smiling pag kinakausap ko kayo, ha? Sinasabi ko sa inyong lahat. Ha? Hindi po kita ko nagkikipagbiruan sa inyo. Ha? Ako'y nakikipagtawa na, ikaibigan ko na kayo. If our day of pag wala kayo sa baho, yes, I am your friend. But after like that, please don't call me anything you want. That you wanna call me. I can call you whatever I want, you know? Because I am your boss. I am your chef. But me, you cannot call me the way you want. Okay? When I said I am like this, and call me like that, call me just the way I am. You know? I really hate late, you know that, Eric? You know? You are my what? You know? Why you asking me, especially in social media, you are gonna ask me if you're not sama na lang, sana, you know? You're my yaya. Wala na si yaya daw. Yaya is stupid girl, you know? Walang utang na loko. You know that? Yaya daw. After I dressed her up, what she did to me, she got the 15,000, she got my Louis Vuitton bag, and then what? Huh? Leave me alone in that. Huh? You know?
Excuse me, sir. Sir, tinawagan ko yung sumagot siya, tapos pinakausap ng anak niya. Tapos, at sabi niya sa akin, at sabi ng anak niya sa akin, hindi daw niya ako kilala, hindi daw, ano na, gumagawa siya ng ano na.
So, she's still Zamboanga.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, so, we'll send us to Peanut to her. Anyway, never mind with that. Okay? So, that's good to know. Anyway, so I don't want you guys to be like her. Walang utang na loob. You know, I love you guys, all of you. And you know how much my pain here. You know, everybody knows. I am here because of you. I am still here because to all of you, because I love you. Because I want you guys to have a word. Diba? I help you, I have a word. Kasi sinabi ko sa inyo, I won't let you down. But please, do the same way to me. Come on, huwag niyo naman akong iwan sa ere. Na pagkatapos ako'y nagbayo, ako nagluto, and then I'll pay all your salary, I give all the like that. And pag-ising ko, morning, we have catering, SWAT, ako mag-isa sa kitchen. Ako nagluluto, ako nagwawalis, ako and then what? Kayo, kasi ma'am, chef, kasi pupuyat. Traffic. Aba, you know what? That's traffic. It's all problem na in Manila. Hindi pa tayo pinapanganak, you know. Traffic na, Eric. And that's why don't say to me, chef, I'm sorry, traffic. No, this is not your problem. Why it's traffic? You should, what's your call 11 a.m.? If your call time is 11 a.m., ano sabi ko? If you come 11:01, you're fine. And what time you come? 11:30. And then don't tell me na sinasabi mo na, sana hindi ka na sumama sa inyo. Abay, privilege mo pa nga, yaya kita. Dapat 24/7, nasa tabi kong bumalagtat ako. That's my rules, correct?
Correct.
Hindi sisisihin niyo ako pa kasalanan ko dahil pinainom ko kayo. You know ako, kahit lasing na lasing ako. Pag alam ko kailangan umagahan, kailangan akong bumangon, babangon ako kahit ako magpilay-pilay. You know? Dahil I know we have a work to do. Ha? Pag gimmick nyo, inom. But when you're not bored, huwag nyo ako sasabihin na, chef, masakit ang ulo ko, inaantok ako, iwan na lang kita kung gusto mo. Ha? Yung totoo, ikaw din, Ate Mehan, ha? Yung sa oras ng gabi na ako gusto kong uminom at inaantok ka, abay, matulog ka na lang sa bahay mo. Huwag kang matutulog sa bahay ko. Ha? Pag ako, sinasabi ko sa pagyaya ko kayo, kung kailan ako bubulagta, saka kayo bubulagta. Kung kailan babangon kayo. You know, you understand?